Hi guys, Ali here from Ireland. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite birds I breed last year. Guys, this bird I breed with my black bird, black Taiwan SHAMO and nice jab blue hen, and that's what I got. He's one of my favorite. Hopefully you will like him. Just look at him guys. Look at his chest. I like his chest. He's all blue, nice color on his chest. And blend of colors on his neck. Look at his face guys. Nice beautiful face, big face. He's very friendly with me, but he's very gamey bird. Look at his wing guys. Big size wings, feathers. Look at his color overall. Nice blend tail, blue, black, red in the back. Nice blend color, the same like neck. Here you go guys. So once again subscribe my channel so you can watch the more videos I'm going to put in next few days. I will keep showing you my birds, and after that what I am breeding. You can have a look at him. Hopefully you will love that. Thanks guys. Goodbye.